plate. An epic amount of food. I'm Maylin Lee, and ever since I turned 13, I've been doing my own thing, making my own moves, 24/7, 365. I wear what I want, say what I want, and I will not hesitate to do a spontaneous cartwheel if I feel so moved. Crap! Not to brag, but being 13 means I'm officially a grown-up, at least according to the Toronto Transit Commission.
Good for you.
All about that hustle, am I right? Priya!
I'm in love with an emo girl.
Yo.
Ready to change the world?
So ready. I was
Emo girl.
born to do this.
Move from a shabang.
Come on. Get the butt over here. Come on. Here. Fast.
Yeah, Abby, hook a sister up. Ew. He looks like a hobo.
A hot hobo.
May I remind you what real men look like?
Fort Town.
Yes! Fort Town!
Please.
Come on. Not now.
You can't resist it. Come on. You know you want to.
O-M-G.
You're my jam, girl.
How was school today?
Killed it per usual. Check it out.
It's nature.
I smell pennies.
Did he do these things to you?
Devin, my precious manly man.
I banish you.
Literally go away. O-M-G.
Let's go. I've never.
That presentation was bomb.com. O-M-G.
You want it?
And help me appreciate some boys. Here comes the
Boy! Hello, boy! Welcome! Here he comes! There he is! Here comes the boy!
Hey, what's up?
Whoa. Looking
Cause you were cute.
I'm gay!
So manly.
Yeah, it's happening, Robert Jr. You're finally gonna meet your
hot uncles. Yeah, if it weren't for you, none of this would be happening. You're the bomb.
Word. You the bomb, man.
Oh, you the bomb.
We all the bomb.
You want to see crass?
What are you doing? Stop moving like that!
Is this bothering you?
Beat that money maker. Destroy her with their big butt. Yeah.
Stop singing now!
weight.
Oh no, she's gained weight.
looks like her mother.
She looks like her father.
Do you want a snack?
Cool, great, thanks. Don't look at the notebook. Don't look at the notebook. Don't. No!
Huh. How old are you? 30?
I'm 17.
See? See? This is what happens when you don't wear sunblock and do drugs all day. It's going to be okay.
No, it's not. Will you just get out?
Excuse me!
Yes!
OMG!
Are you serious?
MeiMei, no!
It's a curse!
She meant it as a blessing.
It's all your fault!
MeiMei, stop!
Miriam's dad is ordering pizza. Save me leftovers?
What if I come with you?
What?
What are you doing? Linear equations? Geometry? I have a double jointed elbow. Look, I can make a perfect circle. I'm paying for the red panda, not this garbage.
Can garbage do this? Or this? Stir the porridge. Come on, guys.
It on my own.
MeiMei!